To find your Samsung Galaxy A57 if lost, you can do this in the two ways. The first one, you have to open your browser, of course, in this PC or second phone, and you have to enter for this website. So the address is a smartthingsfind.samsung.com. If you input just this phrase into the search browser, even like this, smartthings, you can find this recommendation over here. So we can tap on it, and here you can find the full address to find your device. Now, as you can see, you have to just sign in over here into your Samsung account, the same that you are using on your lost phone. So in my case, this is my account. And by the way, you can even you can even sign in with your Google account. So this is what I'm gonna do because I'm actually connected with my Google account and I'm using a Samsung one. Now I have to just verify. Wait for the loading screen for a sign-in process. We have to accept all of those things here, the Samsung account. So this one, and this one, this one, this one. No, this one you don't need to actually, but this one, and click agree. Now wait for a loading screen, and here is, as you can see, you can find all of your lost device. So for me, I only got selected my earbuds because I don't find them. I just lost them, and that's basically how it looks. Here, as you can see, I can find some other devices, like I can check my phone location, but of course it's not a lost, so that's it. You can check its location, click track location. You can ring this phone, and it will be view on the map. But also, what you can do if this one is not working, you can go for Google Find My Device. So this will also allows you to do this, and this should be available, I believe, here. For the Find Hub, we have to sign in, and as you can see here, I can find all of my devices. I can just tap on it, and I can wait until the location of my phone will be visible.